Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the mismatched product price error in Google Merchant Center next. This error stops your products from showing in Google Shopping and free listings, which means no sales and no profits for these products. Now, you're seeing this error because you have a problem with the price in your product feed. This can be because you have an automatic currency switcher on your website, which is changing the currency of your users based on their IP address. Let's fix it right now. First, log in to your Google Merchant Center account. On the left-hand menu, click on Products and then click on Needs Attention. Here, you'll see all your disapprovals and warnings, and here are the products with the mismatched price error. Now, for this specific error, here's what you need to do. First, check the landing pages of the affected products on your website. Make sure the prices on these pages match the prices in your product feed. If you spot any differences, update your product prices on your online store. You should only adjust prices in Google Merchant Center if you're absolutely sure they won't change. Google will then crawl your page again. If the landing page price matches what's in your product feed, the disapproval will automatically be removed. Another reason for this issue is if your product has variants and the URL in Merchant Center is incorrect, causing the wrong price to be displayed. To fix this issue, follow these steps. Click on the product title to view its details. Click the Edit Product button on the right-hand side. Replace the incorrect URL with the correct one in the product page on your online store field. Click Save to apply the changes. Another way to avoid this issue is to enable automatic improvements for prices. This helps reduce price mismatches from Google not updating your pages. Going back to the product section in Google Merchant Center, you'll see different menus on the top bar. The menu we need to click is Automatic Improvements. Enabling this feature lets Google automatically update product details to match your website. Click Edit and ensure you turn on the Price Update feature. I also recommend enabling all relevant attributes to avoid potential issues with Google. Here are a couple of useful tips. If you have a currency converter app in your store and the issue is still happening, turn off the app. See if it solves the problem. Give Google 24 to 48 hours to update your feed. If the price error goes away, the app was likely causing the issue. If the error doesn't go away, you can turn the app back on. When the app is the problem, adjust its settings to ensure it syncs prices correctly with your product feed. However, if you're still having this issue, contact the app's support team for assistance. Regularly check your Merchant Center account and website to keep prices accurate and synchronized. And that's it. This is how you fix the mismatched product price error. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.